Hey Glam fam! Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, well, again, welcome. I am happy to have you here. Today's video is basically a unboxing or an unbagging, video. So I found this new store to buy some makeup products where there's like eyeliners, brushes, blushes, highlighters, things like that. Everything there is for $1. So this is like a test to see whether or not their products are good and if I like them or whatever. But those videos, like reviews and stuff like that, will come a little bit later on. But this video is basically showing you guys what exactly I got from this place. One of my friends told me about it. She gets all her brushes from there, and I kind of want to, get more brushes in my repertoire here, but I don't want to spend like $1,000 for it either, like, again, I am balling on a budget. So yes, we're gonna go for the cheapy cheap. Hopefully it's still pretty good quality. And yeah, let's get into it. So basically, first off, the name of the place is called M.A.C. Bam. Look at that. Shop Miss. Oh, hold on. Rewind. ShopMissA.com. And the website was pretty easy to navigate through, so that's pretty cool. And I think I ordered this maybe about a week ago. No, it's for though. Yeah, I ordered this about a week ago, and it came in the mail maybe 3 days ago, but I haven't been able to do the video, so here we are today. Again, this is M.A.C. So let's go ahead and open everything up to see what we got. Alright, a bag within a bag. You know what, I'm okay with that. At least they're trying to protect everything. So, everything comes neatly packed and wrapped, double wrapped in bubble wrap. And then they have like this little, oh, you can't really see it. Well, anyways, it says M.A.C. So that's pretty nice. Got some standard like gift wrap paper in there. I like the color though, it's pretty nice. Okay. Oh well, they kind of just threw everything in there. I feel like I'm missing some stuff already. Okay. First on the list is, what is this? This is a baked highlighter. And let you maybe look at that. Alright, and this color is Bubbly. Can I open it? Okay. So, let's see. That's the color. Oh. Well, whatever. Anyways, yes, this is the color right there. There we go. Yeah. Okay, it's not super strong, but I mean, you can barely see it, but that's fine because I don't like it to be super strong. I kind of want it to blend in with my skin anyway. It's pretty nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like this. And again, everything on their website is just $1. So to have this like light highlighter for $1 is pretty nice with me. So next we have a couple of some brushes. I think these two are the same. Yes, this is their E111. If you guys look at that brush, it's pretty nice. It's very soft. Yeah, it's pretty good. It doesn't really shed that much either, so that's pretty good. I feel like already this is really good quality for only $1. They have I'm pretty sure everyone is familiar with the brand e.l.f. and all of their stuff is $1 too, and even Wet n Wild, but I think already their brushes are better than e.l.f. and Wet n Wild. Don't remember ordering this, but this is their E119. It's basically like a spoolie for the eyebrows or the lashes, whatever you want to use it. I probably will use this for my under lash line just because it's angled and I need to be able to like get in there, so that's pretty cool. Oh, I bought 2 spoolies? I don't remember buying 2 spoolies. So I'm gonna have to double check my invoices, which they didn't give me a copy of, which would have been helpful. So Miss A, I'm gonna need to get on that. So next, I have another brush. This is Stippling brush. I'm assuming that's just like a stamping brush. Again, you guys, I'm pretty new to this whole makeup thing, so bear with me. Alright, so go ahead and let you look at that. Yeah, I mean, I have this like little funky, you guys can't really see it, well, maybe you can, that little funkiness here, whatever that is. Yeah, I don't really like that, but again, these brushes are only $1, so that's pretty nice. Plastic, handle feels really nice, still very soft. I feel like this will be an easy packing or blending brush. I never use brushes for what they're meant for, so that's just me. I'm a rebel, non-conformist. And then I have a smudging brush. This is their E118 brush by AOA Studios. Let's see. And then this is their smudging brush. For this one, I would probably just use this for like in the ducts right there, because I have a brush for it right now, but I feel like it would be better used for something else. And then I just have like a pack full of just, you know, stuff here. Can you guys see that? Not really. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, we're gonna just go down the line of whatever I pick up first. It looks like this is some liquid lipstick. This is called Vanity, and it's a Wonder Metal, so it's a metallic lipstick. Let me go ahead and open this. I wish I wasn't wearing lipstick right now. I can go ahead and try it out, see what that'll feel like. So if you guys could see that. Oh well, I got so many reflections here. Okay. Oh yeah. This is actually really good for $1. So this one, I'll let you guys look at that. That's pretty nice. This lipstick is closely, I can compare this one to the NYX Cosmic Metals. Their liquid lipstick. So again, this is for $1. This is pretty nice. I'm like really excited to use this. So this next one, I can't get it open to save my life. Sorry. Alright, there we go. This next one is, I think, a blue or purple. Let's see. No, this is a blue. This one, oh, shucks, it was on the paper. Hold up. Or was it on the paper? Oh wow, I might have messed it up. But this is my first time, so you guys bear with me. I don't know what that one is called. Anyways, go ahead and look at this one. I'll leave the name in the description below if you missed it, you want to buy it. Oh yes, this is nice. Look at that. Yes. Ooh. Okay, so, oh, and it smells really nice too. I didn't smell the last one though. This one smells like blueberries. So let you look at that one. Oh yeah, the color is rich. Yes. It is kind of thin though, I will say that. So it might take a couple of, it might take a couple of layers to get the color that you want with that one. But imagine, even though it's a metal one, imagine if you use like the Wet n Wild mattifying powder and it's a matte lipstick. Perfect. Perfection. Okay, this next one, oh, this is an eyeliner. This is a gold eyeliner by Miss Corina is the brand. And again, this is everything is $1, so Let me let you look at this one. Oh, I'm so sorry for the reflection, you guys. Like, I can't save it to save my life. I'm sorry. Ooh. Can you see that one? Can you see that? That is perfection right there. Okay, you know, I'm gonna put this one above the Vanity. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun with this one. Oh yeah. And the glitter is very, very pigmented. It's not super thin like other eyeliners. So this one is gonna be a yeah. Like I'm gonna use it like tomorrow. So just look at that. That's perfection right there. That is perfection.
So the next